Welcome to Global 20 Shop iChannel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. Hey, Tada. This is Global 20 Shop iChannel. We are here at Orlando Amstel Arena. Orlando Pirates 0, Kevin City 0. Brother Gujan.
Kunjani futhi
Siyaphila ubani igama lakho
Themba kwaMavuso.
Yeah, uyibone njani game namhlanje?
Hayi igame namhlanje beyixeka but anyway you still got more chance to win the league yabona.
Yeah.
Asikhani ukcomplaina. Singathini 10 out of 8 isizini since iqala sibonisile ukuthi league siyayifuna siyayithanda yabona. And manje soyenza make sure ukuthi manje i3 point sayithola. Noma kanjani sayithola.
Why ngayithola ngala?
Inhliziyo zabantu, inhliziyo zabo Dr. Khumalo nabo Tshali yabona. Yeah, abafisela abantwana abancane okubi. Kodwa sithini nge23
ima uzongitshela ukuthi ngaba yibona abenza ukuthi bangakori namhlanje.
No, yazi mawuzokhesa abantwana abancane.
Babakhesa kanjani?
Abakhesile ukuthi they will never take the league. But let me tell you one thing.
Bashonini lo.
Bakushilo phambilile khona. Bakushilo. But lokho senandaba nako. Nge23. Nge23. Sayithatha 3 points sibuya nayo la eScotland. Sayiphakamisa le cup le. Noma kanjani. Umakhala njalo lapha khona. Uzoyizwa umthandazo yethu. Elakhe le cup le.
Yeah.
Danko Pakani.
All the best, Boots.
Sharp.
That's all.